Let's go, get behind the tyre. Nice big flips, 4 flips, let's go, that's good. Push it, push it, push it, push it, push it. Then you've got 10 push-ups on your toes. 1, down, 2. Good, nice D1, chest to floor. Awesome work, Nikita. That's it, 10 push-ups. Push, 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 push. Go on, Michael. Good, 4 flips. Good girl, Nikita, awesome work. 4. Good, and jump squats. Deep. Ass to grass. Good, use your toes for explosive training, pushing right up. Sit. Well done, Nikita. You got this. You got 4 more flips to go there, Michael. Good work, Nikita. That's it. Good. Got 10. Excellent. Breathe, big breaths. All right, 10-second brace hold. Keep your butt down. Good. 4, good. All right, let's go 4 seconds to go. And then you've got to sprint back to the dumbbells. And then you've got 20 shoulder presses in the air. Well done, Nikita. All right, 10 seconds. Good job. Keep your butt down, darling. Good girl. Awesome. Nearly done. All right, that's 10 seconds. Up you get. Sprint to Michael. Let's go. Come here. All right, 20 in the air. Let's go. 1, 2, knock them out. 3, good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Push it through. You're over halfway. Good. Breathe, 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 breathe. You can have a drink after this. Fantastic. High five.